Hey guys, welcome back to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. Today we're in Calgary. As you know, we did our journey. Go back and see my videos of that trip from Ontario to Calgary. We have come into our condo and I'm going to do an unboxing of, what is this called again? The expandable, extendable table, or the transforming table from Costco. So let's see how this goes. Stick around, let's go. Today we received these two boxes. This came in the order that we did around a week and a half ago. And just to note that this color that we chose is gray. It cost $1,500. It was free delivery. Very sturdy boxes, I must say. And this is one of the panels. So this box holds all the panels. Five panels, you said?
Yeah.
Deep tone, textured, grainy, very nice. Oh, that looks cute, eh? Wow, that's a nice kitty. Unfortunately, we cannot do anything with it.
Go.
So it took a while, but cutting up the boxes makes sense. Getting rid of all the garbage in garbage bags makes sense. Maybe this is 17 or 18 inches. So open the latch underneath. Let's see what else.
There's a third leg will show.
And then slide and pull. Super easy? Is it easy, babe?
Yeah.
Really good.
Very easy.
Wow. Look at that. Sweet. Slipping this in. This going in to the grooves. Yep. Perfect.
We clip them after.
Yeah, we can clip them after. And see if it is practical. Yes, it is practical. Arm's length, nice to reach stuff. Perfect. Love the buy. And that's a wrap for today. I will highly recommend this table if you have a small space. And it's been a while since we've been cooking, so meet me in the kitchen. Let's cook up a storm.